Even though we have seen a significant lull in snowfall this winter, that is all going to change this weekend. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explores how locals are gearing up some possible snow.
Snowfall is nearly 12 inches behind the typical amount we see by now in Springfield. Snow removal product sales are down, snowplow companies are struggling, and snow shovels are collecting dust. But a weekend storm may shift winter into full gear.
I just hate snow so much because of the driving aspect of it, and it gets even colder. Like 30 degrees with snow feels even colder than just like 30 degrees, so it just makes everything more miserable.
Friday we could see up to 2 inches and up to 3 inches for the hills, but the forecast for Saturday and Sunday is still too uncertain. But the potential is there for some significant snowfall. And it won't be days on end of snow. Monday we should mostly dry out, but chilly temperatures mean the snow will stick around. But we could see a little bit of a dry stretch before the snow comes.